cuando no hablas ni madres de inglés, pero entiendes perfectamente el mensaje. Ustedes ARMYs son el motivo de mi sonrisa cada día. Son felices donde quiera que se encuentren.
I'm sure you guys are thinking a lot of what to say. So, you know, today's words. Need some words, J-Ho. Are you good? Tonight is the last night, so especially only for tonight is limited edition. So who's gonna have the first speech? More than that, we have done 4 concerts here in Las Vegas this time. Each of them was so amazing, and we were so happy to perform passionately in front of the army. You guys are awesome. So awesome. This moment right now is just so precious for me, and I'm loving it. I like to see guys like this. And this is not going to be the last time. This is never gonna be. You're the reason that I smile every day. So I hope I am your reason to smile. Okay. Stay safe, stay healthy, wherever you are.